What's up, guys? Raze here with you again, and we have some sad news to report out of the YouTube creator space world. Lamar Wilson, a very talented, very funny YouTuber, has passed away at the age of 48 years old. This is very shocking. I used to watch Lamar Wilson's content over the past few years. He was very energetic, very enthusiastic about his product reviews on his channel, and he would bring a smile to your face just by watching him review products. You know, sometimes you yourself might be feeling a little down and depressed, but you click on a Lamar Wilson video and it just lightens up your day. And now to hear that he has passed away is very shocking, and it is very sad to see such a seemingly good-hearted person lose his life. Now, according to TMZ.com, this happened about a month ago. And looking at Lamar Wilson's channel, it seems that his last post up there was about a month ago, which lines up with the timeline of this tragedy happening. And now people are wondering why, what happened. Now we know depression can lead to such tragedies. I'm going to read to you what TMZ.com said about Lamar Wilson's unexpected passing. And just me saying that phrase, unexpected passing, is surreal right now as I sit here and do this video. But let's see what TMZ.com had to say about what happened. It says Lamar Wilson, a beloved tech influencer, unexpectedly died last month when he committed suicide. Wilson, known by millions of fans of tech lifestyle entertainment, took his own life by asphyxiation. The Los Angeles County Medical Examiner reports he died at a residence on Friday, November 21st, with his family confirming the sad news on Facebook on December 13th. Okay. The content creator made a name for himself in the tech lifestyle space, joyfully unboxing and reviewing phones, computers, gaming systems, and more for more than 3 million followers across his YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok pages. In which I said earlier, you know, I used to watch those videos, and he just had so much energy, and he just, like I said, made you smile when you're feeling down yourself. Just watching him joyfully do something as simple as unboxing a new PlayStation game, doing a movie review, you know, he just exuded joy in his videos. And to see this happen, I don't know why this happened, but you know, to see it happen, like I said, it is surreal. Now TMZ.com goes on to say his reach went further than his own social pages. He hosted and produced 2 series for Mashable, YouTube Weekly, and Socially Awkward. Plus, he was a contributor to the Daily Tech News Show podcast for a decade, according to his LinkedIn. Wilson was also the winner of the People's Voice Webby Award, shared his final social media post on November 12th, which showed him comedically running through his home to show fans all his Belkin Chargers. About 2 weeks before that, he raved over being selected as a 2026 CES Innovation Awards judge, saying, "It was a dope experience. I learned a lot, and I'm glad to add this distinction to my portfolio." He turned 48 in October and appeared to be thrilled with the way life was heading, even gushing about his 48-pound weight loss. He penned, "I feel good. I'm genuinely at peace. And a key is keeping people out of my life who are determined to disrupt it with their inner chaos. We are not here on this earth long enough to tolerate that. Don't let that happen to you." And right there, those were the final posts by Lamar Wilson, according to TMZ.com. Rest in peace to a great content creator, and condolences to his family. This was another video from Raze. Please like and subscribe to the channel, and I am out.